Arturo Cardenas will be fighting Jordan Martinez. This is the hardest fight to call on the whole card. WBC Continental America Super Bantamweight title fight. Arturo Cardenas having a record of 17-01, and he fought high-level opponents. Really, he did a great job, man. This 5'7" fella destroyed Cesar Vaca, Jesus Arechiga, Edgar Joe Cortez, Danny Barrios, Ernesto Garcia. Only had a draw against Juan Salvador in the early stages of the career. On the other side, Jordan Martinez is only 23 but 16-0, and he's knocking out everybody. Now, people gonna say that he didn't fight big names. To some point, aside of Jose Ronaldo Castro, that could be true. But Arturo Cardenas is a tough fella. Tough fella, tough guy, and I'm having a feeling that Arturo Cardenas might give him a hard time. I'm also thinking it's gonna be a long war, so I'm going with over 8.5. I give slight advantage to Martinez, but could go either way. I think Arturo is just very tough.